Thank you, God, for the opportunity to make another video. Welcome back to the MoneyPot Channel. It is your host, Elijah, back here in action. I hope that you're having an amazing day, and I greatly appreciate you for clicking on this video. If this is your first time here on the MoneyPot Channel, I greatly would appreciate you going to check out some of the past content that we've been uploading, where it is extremely information on crypto. And this video is going to be more of the same. We are going to talk about some of the steps that must be taken before you get into cryptocurrency. We're going to be talking about why it is important to get into cryptocurrency right now, what the frick cryptocurrency is, how to purchase cryptocurrency, and why it is so important to secure your cryptocurrency. Let's get into the video. The MoneyPot Channel is a library of educational content created from a biblical perspective. The content provided here on the MoneyPot Channel is designed to improve viewers' knowledge of world economics and events, cryptocurrency, and much more. The information provided here on the MoneyPot Channel is not considered financial advice. Throughout this video, we are going to be talking about some valuable information. We're going to be talking about why it is so important to hold crypto in your asset portfolio. We're going to be talking about what the frick crypto is, so you have a basic understanding. You can be able to tell your 75-year-old grandma what crypto is and why you have it. We're going to talk about how to purchase cryptocurrency. And then lastly, we're going to talk about how to secure your cryptocurrency because it's an asset. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video because I will be providing some of the main cryptocurrencies that I keep in my digital asset portfolio. And first and foremost, let's talk about what the frick crypto is. All right, so a cryptocurrency is a digital asset that functions as a store of value in a decentralized network. Let's break it down a little bit further. It is an asset that is digital in a decentralized network, and it can be used as a store of value. It can be used to move value. An example of another asset that can be used and that has a store of value would be an ounce of gold or an ounce of silver or a United States dollar bill, or probably more like a United States $100 bill now. We are talking about here the currency of the future. Now, let's get into why it is so important that we start to develop a digital asset portfolio. There are many reasons why we need to get involved in cryptocurrency as soon as possible. I believe that it is going to be the future of finance, and it is also going to be one of the main ways that value is going to be able to be moved. And we see that the United States dollar, which is currently the strongest fiat currency in circulation, is losing purchasing power. We see that the CPI data came out and inflation was higher than expected. We cannot just continue to print money and expect for the United States dollar to remain as, first off, the leading form of currency, but also for it to keep its purchasing power. It's not sustainable. And we know that cryptocurrency is going to be the future of currency. Why? Because we see countries around the world, central banks around the world actively researching central bank digital currencies. And if you don't understand what central bank digital currencies are and how controlling they're going to be, go check out some of my past content because I've been putting out some fire on central bank digital currencies. But we know that cryptocurrency, digital currency, is going to be the future of our currency system and how we pay for goods and for services. We see that many retail stores are starting to include types of cryptocurrency as a method of payment. And other larger purchases are being able to be bought with cryptocurrency. It is literally going to be one of the main methods of payment come 2025 for sure. Are you liking this video?
You like that? You like that?
Well, make sure you like the video and drop a comment while you're at it. And I want to take this brief break from the video to put this disclaimer out here that we here on the MoneyPot channel do not have any paid advertisements. We do not have any affiliations with any other organizations or have any endorsements. And because of this, your like on this video will be greatly appreciated as we are seeking to just spread good quality information on cryptocurrency. Now, what we're about to talk about here next is how to purchase cryptocurrency. We do have some links provided below for you to go and start accounts with these exchanges. These are our own personal links. If you decide to use them, we would greatly appreciate that. So the main way to purchase cryptocurrency is via a cryptocurrency exchange. An exchange is just a marketplace where you can buy securities, commodities, and other sorts of financial instruments, as well as cryptocurrency. And we're going to talk about here some of the top exchanges that we recommend. And before I get into talking about the exchanges, I must put this disclaimer out here, and I highly recommend that you do not leave your cryptocurrencies on the exchange that you bought them on. All right, so here we see the exchanges that we here on the MoneyPot recommend individuals use in starting off their cryptocurrency portfolio. We got Coinbase, we got Uphold, we got Robinhood. In this exact order, I would start with having a Coinbase account because Coinbase is one of the most reputable cryptocurrency exchanges around. They have a lot of cryptocurrencies that are available for purchase, and I believe that it is easy to use as well as easy to transfer to your own wallet, which makes Coinbase a great starter account for anyone developing their cryptocurrency portfolio. And they're a publicly traded company, which gives it all the more reputability. Next is Uphold. Uphold is an extremely great exchange that we like to use here. And Uphold has very great interface and usability. It makes it extremely easy to move your cryptocurrencies to an outside wallet, which is extremely important. They don't have as many cryptocurrencies listed as Coinbase, but they do have quite a few. And this is where I found my beloved XRP initially. And lastly, we suggest that Robinhood be used for your cryptocurrency trading. Robinhood has recently been adding some very good cryptocurrencies onto their platform. Ones such as Cardano and Stellar Lumens. Both are cryptocurrencies that I have in my portfolio. So we suggest Robinhood as an exchange to use to purchase cryptocurrency. We have saved the best for last and arguably the most important aspect to getting into cryptocurrency and developing a sustainable digital asset portfolio, and that is securing your cryptocurrency. Let's get into it. Now, I would suggest if you are starting your crypto asset portfolio to get yourself a cold wallet. These are the most safe ways to store your crypto, and because it's offline, it cannot be hacked. I don't know how many cryptocurrency hot wallets have been hacked, and if you don't understand the difference between hot and cold wallets, go check out my video where I do a deep dive into hot versus cold wallets and their differences. But what I use is the Ledger Nano, and this cryptocurrency hardware wallet is amazing. It's easy to use, easy to transfer into, and it is safe. I trust Ledger, and I really like their product. Now listen, this is not financial advice. You do with your money what you want with it. But if you are going to get into the cryptocurrency game, I strongly suggest that you first off do your research. But you second off, listen to Elijah. because he's done his research. And the cryptocurrencies that are in my bag, I firmly believe, and I know that they are going to be extremely valuable if they're not already valuable by the time you're watching this video. And those cryptocurrencies are XRP, XLM, Algorand, Cardano, and XDC. Those 5 are my top 5 cryptos. And those are, in that order, are my biggest bags. And where I have cryptocurrencies in. I have cryptocurrency. Wherever you are at in your cryptocurrency journey, I believe that it's important to understand that cryptocurrency is going to be the future of our financial realm. It is going to be the future of finance. And whether you want to dispute me or not, we can go back and forth. Drop a comment. But it is coming. And we know that this is the way that the world is moving towards. This digital space, this digital currency. And it's just inevitable. Hope that you're able to find this video informational and realizing that, these are just some of the first steps that you can take to building an asset portfolio of cryptocurrencies. Don't be reliant on the government and using central bank digital currencies. Like, dislike, share, subscribe. Do what you do, but I appreciate you. And until next video, stay blessed, stay healthy, stay prayed up. Peace.